All right, guys, TRKOY sent us this awesome MagSafe Portable Wireless Charger. 5,000 milliamps packed in this little bad boy. So I don't know about you, but if you're looking for a proper charger, you're going to want something that provides 10-watt wireless charging, and it does wired charged as well, and it is super small, lightweight, and portable. Those are the three things and three reasons why I would choose this charger over others. So 5,000 milliamps is a pretty nice charging size when it comes to actual portable charger these days, and comes in a small package, which I'm definitely digging. So first and foremost, has some notes about it. Heating, so sometimes they get a little hot. Capacity, battery life, the magnetic side of things, what kind of cases and stuff, and the lifetime warranty information, and last but not least, the card itself. Now, when you are in here, you do have a USB to USB-C, so you're going to be plugging USB in and USB-C to the actual unit itself. Now, you want to see the star of the show, which is going to be the actual MagSafe charger. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what it's like, and then we're also going to pop it on a phone and see how quickly she lights up, which is super important. Now on the bottom, you do have the ability to charge and charge out, which is super important. You have your MagSafe ports on here, and that is it outside of your actual buttons on the lights on this side. So you can see it's going to light up right there. See the little, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Get that right there. There is 4 dots, and then it also shows a dot if it is doing the wireless charging, and then you have your indicator button on the other side. Now with the phone here, let's see if we can line it up. Oh yeah, that pops on nice and easily. Now I'm also going to show you, you can see the green dot right down here. The green dot shows that it is actually working. So that is really nice. You can show that it is actually charging the unit as we speak. You see how easy that was? Let's go ahead and take it off. Sometimes with wireless chargers, what we run into is that they don't want to sit directly where they're supposed to. And when they do that, they're not going to charge like they're supposed to. So you're going to have issues with trying to get them to charge and whatnot. But this thing is super slick and easy. Look how, I mean, great magnetic to it, no problems whatsoever. And then at the end of the day, if I want to also charge directly to it, I can make that happen. So you have 4 dots on the back, plus the extra one showing the wireless charge. You have the 2 USB-Cs on the bottom. You have your wireless charging MagSafe on the front, and then you have your indicator button here as well. Guys, super easy, super compact, 5,000 milliamps, the way to go. Definitely check it out.